No, she'll stop making noise. Here's the way I was holding her. She's not making noise anymore. There she goes.
She sounds like a toy. She sounds like a toy.
Did you get her little hat?
Yep.
She looks like a little toy. Like a little squeeze toy.
Because she squeaks.